Okay, maybe this is actually working even. It says it's working. Is it working? It looks like it's working. Cool. Now let's show up over here. Well, anyway, okay. And on this, hey, we have video. Now can you get rid of the crap? Is it working?
Now, what do you do? Put that up there backwards and then it comes over like this?
Yeah, because when you're looking at yourself on a podcast, it gives you a mirrored image like you're used to seeing in the mirror instead of everything being so. Yeah, this looks like that. And now I want to put my screen on the display. And which one do I want?
We'll get your drink out.
I think I want to do this screen since it's. There. Drop frames already? You suck. I need more computer. I'm dropping frames. I don't like drop frames. All right. So let's see. On this one.
Yeah, that's just a whole, you have to see that whole painting.
Well, see what it is, if the man is an act, it's not a church, it's act, where it's man instead of a female. Right.
Oh, I understand that, but I
It's
can,
coming up like.
Well, where's the focal point that you want?
Like this.
I know what
All
you're
of
saying.
these.
Now tell him what he's asking.
Well, where's your? Oh, I see. So that's kind of your head there, right? Right there.
This is his head, right here.
All right. Well,
Here's
let's
his
do
beard.
this.
His arms are going up like this. He's on his knees.
Well, the name of it's Faith Rising, so you probably need to have it showing where it's, yeah, maybe showing where it's rising. Maybe they can see it that way. I can't see it. I mean, I can see it when you point it out, but even you nearly have to point it out to me. Just can't see it.
Well, sometimes maybe the color,
Maybe
your
the colors,
eyes, the way you
maybe
see
the
the
eyes,
eyes,
maybe
your
a lot
eyes
of
see the
things.
colors.
I think that helps it.
It's
I
like,
do too. Let's see it again.
mhm.
Well, I'm not real crazy about the start.
I like the finish. I think it shows it.
Well, I want the whole painting in the start, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, that's better. I can see the man in there a lot better.
And this one, I actually don't dislike that one too much. What's the speed on it? 10 seconds? I don't mind that was just not showing the whole painting at all at once. What do you think?
Well, the problem with it is it's jerky. I mean, that was jerky on the big screen. That wasn't smooth for whatever reason.
Probably just hadn't rendered right. I mean, because we're seeing it was 0 rendering time. I mean, it's kind of a preview mode. Yeah, don't pay attention to that. Pay attention to this screen.
So I like that.
Because this one's, you're seeing it going through the internet and back, and that's the podcast feed. Okay, this one we hadn't done anything to yet. And I'm thinking I want it to end.
So this is your
The red's where it's
church
ending.
with lacking the mouth because not speaking out, and this is the counterfeit church.
I don't know what that means, but
So where do you want it to start? Where do you want it to end? I mean, that's what he needs to know. So,
I think that this, you'll like this. I'm kind of happy with that. Let's see. I don't like that we're getting that one out because
I'm not sure the time's too, I think the time's too short on those things. I mean, I think
Well,
we're
it's
gonna have
still
to.
it's 10 seconds now.
I'm not, my brain's not registering. I've seen the paintings and my brain is not registering what I'm seeing.
What about this one? Where do you want to focus?
This one's complicated. This one's got so many layers in it. 'Cause this has to be read in the circle.
Mm,
It starts down here with the Star of David moving up to cry up to, because you've got your armor all the way around. You've got Christ right here, where he's non-recognizable. Everything in that painting is symbolic.
and what are we doing here?
I think she wanted to focus, end up being on the eye, where that tear is.
Right here?
Yeah, there's a tear crying.
See, I think that's gonna work well.
I don't like this. Going to end with a bunch of black on the edge.
Oh, shrink it down and get her head. Start with the whole painting and shrink down the legs.
When the people
Oh, I
read,
actually like that.
people read, they look for the tear.
I don't think I have problems finding it. Okay, and on the
That's
front
got 70
one,
different pieces in it, so.
I think this one's best. We start at the bottom and work our way up. So, got 10 seconds. Nope. All right, I think we messed with all of them now.
Let's see what the Bible looks like. I think they're not on there long.
I don't know if that was black ratio. Or maybe I do. Yeah, I like that.
I do too, you can see her face real well.
I don't know, that was kind of depressing.
But they're supposed to.
It's a message.
Oh, I like that. I like that one. I like that a lot. And I think you got it, Kenneth. I think we're getting real close. Question I've got is how long, though? I mean, some of these may be just right, but some of them may need to be longer, and that's what you need to be looking at, kind of time.
Yeah. See, I like
I
that
can see the
better.
guy now. I mean, I really can.
Yeah, it kind of pops out at
It
you
really
there.
pops out. I just don't see enough faces in that. You see the faces?
You know what? I want it to move up the river too.
Yeah.
Now, in the river, you get faces with different kinds of expressions, surprise,
Shock.
shock, anger.
Try that. Oh, come back here.
Oh, I like going up the river a lot better. You see some faces there.
Yeah, I like that too. Okay.
I think we did good.
All right, why don't we kick them all up?
See, let's talk about times on them, see if we can really see.
Let's kick them all up to, yeah.
What's that program called we're doing there?
Aperture.
It slows it down enough where you can at least look at it.
Yeah.
I don't know that, it may even need to be more than 12 seconds. You have to be careful though, I don't want, you just be careful, don't lose your audience.
Nah,
It's got 9 times
I'm pretty
12.
happy with those first two. Actually, the second was a little slow.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
I don't know. I think that was pretty perfect. I don't like that.
I've been through, as you go up in that river, you show you have stripes, you have blessed, cross coming, we have priest, evil delusion, and over here,
I'm
the
thinking,
armor coming down.
Oh, okay, can you do multiple, I mean, you're doing one movement.
Yeah.
with it. Can you do multiple movements with it?
no. I like that one a lot better because I mean that's the thing that's popping on the painting.
Is that face?
Yeah.
face stands out because it's gray against that.
Yeah, I've got a whole lot there.
Well, let's do this.
Because it's supposed, everybody calls it a mask, it's not a mask, it's a blindness.
Okay, well, see what he's doing, see how you want to do this.
I don't think. Is that what I just asked for? Yeah, yes it is. Actually,
Like this, and then the face where it's.
we're kind of, yeah, I think I'm
and then
happy
you have your
here.
you have your Judah.
See, I don't see a face up there, upper left.
Yeah, we got face. Look, and we got her focal point also.
See?
That's so hard to
Now?
see though, and you're just
That's
trying
hard
to.
see.
I think it works though.
All right, as long as you guys think.
What do you think, Karen?
Karen.
Yeah, I like it.
Because if I had it, I'd focus on her more or on the mask more, but
I just don't see the face that quick.
I don't either.
This piece
See,
is.
he doesn't see the face that quick, I don't see the face that quick.
See what we're doing, and we got to remember, we're not telling the story here. We are later.
Right.
But in this one, we're getting them in the gallery, and those eyes, that's the center. I mean, always focus on the eyes in
see,
photography.
Yeah.
So like
If you
there, I got
focus,
the,
try to, so if they're coming into the gallery, you could do this and then the little thing, talking about little cars.
yeah. Now what I was thinking is actually combining these two videos too, because they have two different kind of feels to them. This one's more descriptive, and then that's not what I want. That's what I want.
One run.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
So we do this. We fire up reflections to begin with. Where is it? There. I just call it reflections because so that's what it starts off with. Runs through, no description, just kind of cool music. Happy, happy, joy, joy.
When you get into the serious part.
Yeah, I even like the timing.
You don't want it on there very long, do it.
No, this is like your this is your intro.
If we're gonna do an intro, you don't need to scroll. You're gonna do it on the next one.
We just got nice, happy, happy, joy, joy music, and then that ends. We probably have another slide there that introduces the series. We'll have a slide for the series there between them. Yeah, the first one says Karen Wolfram, shows her work. Then we're introducing the series. And then we put our descriptive slides of the series. Loop back to Karen at the end. All told, probably 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Needs to be less than 5.
Yeah. I don't know, and actually, if we did go over, I wouldn't worry about it, but it's not going to be close to that.
I think it needs to be in that 5 range.
But I'm pretty. I mean, the black one, the Ken Burns, we got a lot more control over. That other one, we can't put the titles on. We can't mess with the aiming. We can tell it. This is how long the slide duration is. So that gives us kind of the best of both.
I like the idea. Of you, Karen. I like it.
Let's run through this one more time to see if we're. If you see something you hate, say stop.
This one that starts off, right?
Yeah, if you see something you don't like, stop it.
These are in the order that you're going to see.
Yeah, they're all in the same order.
Well, I understand that. What I'm saying is, do you need to reverse the order?
This is the way they were painted.
See, that focuses on the personal cause.
Stop. I don't like it's not. It's not. I want the black to disappear on both sides at the same time. Is that centered?
Start making my Karen
Ugh. Okay, so it needs to come this way. That makes sense. Oh,
It doesn't look like the black is just straight all on one side.
Let's see what that looks like. I don't think I'm gonna be happy either way because yeah, I'm not gonna be completely happy either way. It'd require a compound move to get rid of it. We can't do compound moves, so. All right, so let's go back and look again. I think that's the only thing that's sticking out in my mind that's something I don't really like. But the other choice is to get rid of the.
So you got rid of all the black
We're just moving from top to bottom on that one. And all of a sudden I don't like it. Let's see.
See, I don't like the Bible.
What I know you got so much in here, but what was your main thing?
Okay, this right here, this is the tomb. You have Mary over here. This is the first thing people see, Mary. They don't recognize the tomb, but they do see some of the figures right in through.
Or there's Mary here.
That's the blue.
All right, so let's see what this looks like. There's not a whole lot going on. There is, but I mean it's
Yeah, because
whole
I
lot.
have
Not
to
a whole
tell-
lot going on is a relative term with this painting.
Yes, it is, because there's not even stuff that will even show up like that.
Yeah.
You have to go to the sides and distance.
All right,
and
let's look
kinds
at
of
her.
stuff.
It's moving a little slower because it's not moving as far.
'Cause then you have your figures inside the tomb.
Oh, no, we need to come up a little bit. Kind of ends at the.
You just need to do that whole thing. I like it before you start this.
So
This painting changes even in daylight and indoor lighting.
remember, that's our lead. So
Yeah, I like to scroll it up. It's your deal, Karen. You do whatever you want. I
which
like
one
the
do you
scroll.
like better? I don't know. They've both got their advantages.
That's what I thought.
You have to choose, Karen. You have to
First or second?
I kind of like the second one better.
Okay.
That's fine. That's your deal.
You know what? I kind of do too. Actually, you're never going to get the cave out of that shot. Why don't we, what's this? What's this?
It's just men.
That's just a guy?
Yeah, there's one here, one there. There's even men in their beards. Some of them.
Let's see. If I were selling this to a Catholic,
A lot of them focus on the tomb too, because they want to know where Jesus is in it. It's an empty tomb.
that's a good point. All right, we might not like this one, but let's see. It's hard to get that. I'm kind of happy. I think I'm real happy with that because it really.
It's an empty tomb. I like that.
Well, if you want to sell it to Catholics, always focus on the feminine. Just the way they think.
It's because they pray to Virgin Mary.
They don't pray to the Virgin Mary.
They don't pray to Christ.
That's BS.
Just tell you what they do.
Don't make me get the catechism out. It's got a whole chapter on that BS.
So let's talk about
Now, Mexicans can't be held responsible for any ignorance that might be in their determination. Catholic religion also says you can't name kids Jesus, but they do. So, and Madonna is strictly out. I hate to tell you this, but Jesus in Mexican is pronounced Jesus. So, yeah, it drives me crazy going to a Mexican church.
Alright, the question I got is this works for this section of it. You got the same scroll in that other preview. And what I'm saying is, you want to keep the scroll.
I
in
think
that other
we're
preview or not?
screwed unless we crop that to.
Okay, so the problem
keep
is,
the scroll.
the length of it. Okay, that's fine.
I think we keep the scroll.
That, you.
It
I
always
like
looks
breaking
good.
up the movement in it, that
Yeah.
first one some too. It kind of changes.
Yeah, we could crop
Keeps
that
that
down to a
open.
screen size.
I really like it.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think everybody should like that one.
Alright, I think we've got, what do you think, Karen? You want any changes on that now at all?
No, just thinking where you get the black, you know, off
Which one?
that. If you were ever able to get the black off of this
Well, we can't because the way the camera moves.
one.
Come back here. Well, we can, but it moves over this way. So the only thing we could do to minimize that or get rid of it is, because see, it's going to move into the black.
Well, your bottom down there, you got a left and right margin there in the black. Can you constrict that down, make it smaller? There you go, right there.
But yeah, but I can't make it. What is this? Hold on. Can it?
There you go. Now that should get rid of your black.
Yeah, it gets rid of our black, but it also gets rid of half the detail of the painting.
Let's run
Well,
it and see.
this is closer to what we had before. But see, it's kind of.
I like it a lot better.
Do you?
What do you think, Karen?
I don't know. I think we lose
So
in the
really, this
context.
part right here for sure.
Where?
Okay.
Well, what about this? Let's try this. Hold on, just for grins to see what this will do. Huh. Not right for this shot, but it's a cool effect. See, because I think that if you're the way that first one moved, you're going out through this, and it looks like a Southwest cactus painting.
Now you want to focus on that. You want to focus right here.
Not just this. I mean, we're taking a whole lot of painting out of this.
Well, you got the whole thing going. You get the cross there.
You heard, but see, you also have, here you have the birth and the throne. Down here you have the death
What do you want
and
to
the
do?
Holy
What do
Spirit.
you want him to do and how do you want him to
This
do it?
I
up
think we
here.
ought to go back to the whole thing. Well, now where? Come back, Karen. What about this? What's going on over here? Because you're more interested in this area, right?
Well, it's kind of goes like this. It's the main story.
Okay, now that's going to be black, but it's going to lose it at the similar rate on both sides.
Let me see.
Actually, I think we should go up. That should, I think that was what we want. Back, stop.
What do you think, Karen? Would you like that or not? What do you want to do?
I don't know. Nothing. It's really.
Well, I mean, look, you guys are
Grabs
too
me.
close to it.
I didn't like the movement in that one. I liked the shot, except for
Let's
the.
see. What happens if we start right down here in this corner and move it up this way?
There's so much stuff in here that it looks like
You
it
have to
doesn't.
be careful with the darker area there.
All right, then start right here and then move up this way.
Yeah, but it's. How do I say this? It doesn't look right.
that's what
This
you want to
is
say.
difficult to do because it has to be an incomplete painting because we are incomplete.
But see, if you're coming up from there, it looks like a weird Southwest abstract.
Why don't you leave it just
I actually
like
like
you got it
that.
like that? That looked
Now
pretty good.
we lose our black right at the same
Yeah.
time.
That looked pretty good.
You want to see it again,
Let
Karen?
look at it. That's not bad. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get.
I think so.
I actually kind of like that because it looks like you're walking into a.
So we've got the Bible done, we've got that one done, we've got Weeping Woman done.
Yeah, that was
That
just a
one's done.
no-brainer. It was so.
That
Kind of
That one we like it.
we like that.
love that.
And what about that one? You like
Oh,
that?
this one was okay.
Okay. And what about the next one? That one, next one's okay anyway.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Page Rising you like.
Yeah.
Drowning Souls you like.
I think
That
we're
one we
happy.
done.
12 seconds, 12 seconds. So there's.
Now we need to, let's run through it, let's see what we can see in timing, see if we need to change the time.
So it's 1 minute 48 seconds.
See what-
Wish I could make it hang for a second. Actually, there's 3 options up there I hadn't even looked at. Let's see if they do.
let's see what we got.
Oh, we're happy. That one's growing on me.
That is growing.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Black over there is only drag.
No, it's kind of I like that. And you see some of the faces in there.
I really like that.
I think you get music on this thing, you get this up there, you're just gonna, the movement, the music, and bring them in.
Yeah, we don't want to mess with that shot on either one. It's just a good
That
shot.
works good. We're just gonna leave it on.
I think this is cool.
I see the
Because
guy
that
now.
painting was
I
just
see the
so
guy.
disappointing in the way it was presented before.
And now you can see.
Yeah, it kind of.
It jumps out at you.
Yeah, this is cool.
Natural.
Ken Burns himself would be proud.
Yeah. Okay, let's put the whole thing together and let's see what it all looks like.
I got to render that first.
Oh, sorry.
We still need to do it, so we can have it going and look at the other one.
Well, I think that works.
Export.
Save it so we don't lose it.
Tags 1080. Alert finished. Okay, now while we're waiting,
And that's not what you call it, is it, Karen?
No, it's called the God's Works.
it's called what?
It's God's work. Jesus' message, his purpose,
You have that
and
written
his
down.
command.
Get that written down,
It
please.
should be on the sheet one of sheet paper.
I'm not sure if we want to. Let's take that off. Come back here. Why won't it go where I want it to go? I think we just keep it Karen Wolfram right there.
Is that what you want to
Yeah,
say?
cause I don't, the rest of it would be hard.
Yeah.
Jesus'
Do not.
message, it's too much.
Too
stuff
much.
I do.
Besides that, you gotta-
Well, no, I just want Karen Wolfram on one slide that says nothing else.
Yeah,
I mean, that's.
the whole idea of this is God's work.
Oh, yeah, we get it.
Karen's-
Oh, go back. What did you do to me? Oh.
Whatever you did, Kenneth, was pretty cool.
There.
Well, what are we selling? Karen Wolf, and we're selling God's Works. That's what you're selling. Okay, then we need to put God's Works.
Yeah, I want to put it somewhere else.
I need to put Karen Wolf somewhere else.
Now we gotta put Carol Wolf in there. 'Cause right there we're showing our intro. And when this ends, that's where I want to think we should put the God's Work slide and then slide over into the other. What do you think?
Karen's doing it.
Scott Steele.
He won't mind.
Hey, might.
No, he won't. Would you really want him hanging to worship a God that would mind that?
He might. Never know what.
Yeah. He doesn't.
Well, I really like this for introduction. Really do. And I'm not so sure that real fast like you're doing right now is not good.
Faster?
That's what I'm thinking. I mean, look at it and see, you're going to go boom, 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 boom. Then you're going to go into the slow. So what would happen if you speeded that up? Karen Wolf and then go. Boom, boom, boom,
Man, I
boom.
think.
Gotta think of your music too. Well, you see, you gotta have enough time where you've got doubles to look at both of them. You know,
Okay, I'm with you. I know what you're saying.
okay.
Sorry. Well, I'm so familiar with the pieces.
Well, here's another thing. It's gonna get. We can screw with it when we move into Final Cut a little bit too.
But I think.
Because we will to make it fit music.
Well, Kevin, I think your idea of putting that in front of it and then doing that slow stuff again, I think that's really great. Then put those two together. I think.
Actually, I'm going to do this to make us both happy. We're gonna cut the title, and we'll do that in Final Cut. These have various durations between them because some of them are showing 2 per. Yeah, I think it's nice and even, and we can play with it. Oh, I like that. See, I like those side by sides. It's a nice mix. Okay, let's export that sucker. Actually, we can probably keep the other one we did. All we're doing is taking the title off. I'm not interested in wasting computer time on that. How's our other one doing? 14%? Dadgum, what do we do?
Well, they're huge files.
Not that huge. Let's get some computer power back. Oh, let's just screw up our whole life here.
Well, let's not lose what we did. We got it then. Just trying to save all the adjustments and all.
Yeah, it's just rendering it and saving it to a file, and it's one of my notoriously huge files. But there's a whole lot of stuff this computer's doing that can get turned off too. See, we're already up to 17.
But anyway, I really like the idea of, I really like Kenneth's idea to put together.
I do too. I like the way you set up for the intro and
Yeah, really.
Yeah, we're moving along now.
Then you're gonna have to choose music. Once we get this done, I think we're pretty close to having this at least close enough to the music.
Oh yeah, we're ready.
And then get the music done and then
Get it in the Final Cut.
And then go see if we load it on that TV.
Well, actually, I can do that while I'm waiting. They'll take up some recycles though.
Well, I'm just gonna not move what we do. We need to sit down and go.
Oh, it's saved. It's not going anywhere. Where's Final Cut? Come on, baby.
See, if we get that done, get this done, then we go figure out what we're gonna do with the cars. Get that printed off, so we'll have the video up and run it.
Who are you using for your printer?
We do it
Just on your.
1400, we got our person.
Okay.
And, we'll get the cards done, we'll take all my cards out of that rolling rack thing, twisted it, put the cards for that in there. Then, you know, 1 free per customer, and then if you want, you know, after that, it's $1 a piece or 5 or 6 for $1, or 65. And you'll keep them from just taking all your cards. And see what happens. But I think it's gonna be, I'm excited about it, really. I haven't been excited about the studio for a long time. Either one of them. Penny trees were excited for a while, and then it's just drudgery.
Where you going to make?
I made too many, I just didn't get the right people to buy. All we got now is people, actually, we don't have the drunks anymore, since everybody's got serving wine. We don't have anybody showing up. I mean, we've got 5,000 to 6,000 people now, we've got 1,500. Take the alcohol away.
This is upsetting me greatly. How do you quit the screen share? What did I just do? I think I killed it. It's dead. Well, we locked up the browser. We'll try to let it come back. 35%. Aren't you done yet? Shoot, where's the other one? Final Cut didn't come up. Did I kill you dead?